Our little EZZ pop-up trailer, babe.
Yep, Sterling Z.
Does the job.
Yeah, does the job, tows well.
With all your neat additions lately, it's much faster to put the annex up, hey?
It is. There's no divorce before you even start camping. It's so much easier. We would have saved like an easy half an hour setting up last night.
And that's because you put this joiner up.
Yeah, there was at Raycon or something bloody joiner. And then also dog clips up the top.
On the end of each.
Yeah, on the end of each. Go straight on, clip straight on.
Half pre-done before you even get here.
That's it, and some clamps to put things up, lights, packet of clamps.
It's all happening, Jackson.
It's all happening.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
So that's the main camping area, and it's got toilets and shower. And it did have a shed there in the middle where people could have kitchen and barbecues, but someone's moved in and hasn't left. Hey babe. And that's the dried out river.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
So about a 5-minute walk from our FlatBed Creek Station Camp. We just had a wander down here to look at the water, what's left of it. And we're told there's crocs in here, so be careful. Looks pretty dried up. See all the footprints here, all the birds. Can't see any croc slides. There's that one there. Duckies. This would be nice in the wet season, hey?
Yeah.
Do you reckon they've already combed here with their detectors, babe?
Yeah.
So it ends. I thought it would have kept going through. Does it go around this side?
Down from there.
Do you reckon it continues down further? Can you see any big croc footprints, babe?
Yeah, look. Yeah, look, big clock prints.
Where?
There, look.
They're bird ones. Isn't it? It doesn't smell.
It smells.
No, it doesn't smell. There's something in the water there. Oh, do you hear that? Big splash down there.
Yeah. Bird, look. Ducks.
Oh, ducks are yummy. You look like a big country road man there, babe. Working the cattle station?
Yeah, working off the land.
So you found one little reception area.
Oh, he found gold too.
He
His
did?
missus.
Yeah?
Yeah, we live beside a creek and there's a little bit of sand. He goes, I'll give it a go there. And bang.
Yeah?
1.5.
Wow, ounce.
Yeah.
That's
No,
excellent.
grams.
What, along this creek?
No, you don't say. Up.
He doesn't tell you.
Yeah, we're just heading up to Telstra Hill to get a bit of reception, just to wish my daughter safe travels. She got married on Sunday and she's going to Europe tomorrow, so I'd just like to tell her to have safe travels.
And it's a pretty little spot lookout up here too, hey?
Yeah, apparently it is. So I'll have a beer up here.
A cider for you.
Yeah, with the cider for the missus. Okay, much I love her.
Pretty good climb.
GWM Ute with the
New tyre.
Toyo 3 tyres, all-terrain tyres. Hey, I've had them for 6 months now, or probably 8 months. Hey, they're great tyres. Yeah, they tow well. It just makes the car a lot more stable and sturdier.
Under rough terrain, geez, that's steep too, isn't it? This is Telstra Hill.
This is Telstra Hill.
We'll see if it works, eh? You should put your handbrake on, babe. Wow, it's a beautiful 360 view, isn't it? You can use your new camera with your panoramic setting. Oh look, must work. I just got a text. I'm going off. How's your drink, babe?
Yeah, good.
You wish your daughter all the best?
Yes. A bit mouthful.
I don't drink beer. I'll have a cider though. What a lovely view.
Okay, I'm just filling up Cherie's shower water. She didn't know we had 100 litres of water underneath the tank. I fill it up from here. She said, where do you fill it up? I said, in around here. And then you go underneath here. I put a little tap on it. And so we budgeted for around about, tonight we'll go about 8 litres. 8 litres of water per person, 16 litres, 100 litres. Yeah, that'll give us 5 or 6 nights of shower, and plus we've got another 80 litres over in drums as well. We'll just use this water here.
And then you can show them your new fandangled shower.
Oh yeah, bought a little shower.
Cool off after our fostering today.
And Cherie said, oh, it's a waste of money, waste of money. Then she seen me last night have a nice warm shower. She thought, oh yeah, I might have one of them, eh? Okay, so you just put the pump in the bucket with water, a bit of water, a bit of hot water in there. You got your button, just put the button over here, turn it off and on. And here you go. Get ready to jump in, huh?
I'm not going to jump on camera, just show me how you turn it on.
Yep, you just turn it on.
And he's got the drip tray there.
The drip tray, which is your mat.
Keep your feet clean. And so you push the button, eh?
Yeah. Push the button.
Good job. So is that power pump?
Yeah, a bit of lithium, little bit of battery in there. Hold it for 3.5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and then off she goes.
And how much was that?
Oh, I think it was 50, 60 bucks. That's
Online?
online, yeah. Yep.
Okay, thanks Kenny.